What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Uneke, back with another episode. So in this episode is gonna be something different, but you might as well get used to it because yeah, I'm just going to be showing you all how I put on my wigs. So I haven't worn a wig with lace in so long, let alone made a wig with lace. Like, it's been over a year because first off, I stopped wearing frontals years ago. I went into closures, was making those wigs for a while for myself. I still made wigs for clients, customers, blase. But I started letting my vendor make the wig because it was a low off from me. But the way that my hairline is and everything, and I want my wigs to look a little bit more realistic. The reason I stopped wearing wigs was because I just got tired of the lace, and I was just like, I'm not liking it. I'm not liking, what it's giving. So I started doing leave out and wearing my natural hair more. But now I feel like it's time. It's time for me to go back to the wigs because I miss wigs. So let me show y'all what I got. This is a 26-inch straight frontal wig, full frontal. I'm gonna have to cut off some for the middle part or whatever because my hairline in the middle go back. So now I like to make my frontals look like my hairline, not like the UK girlies, because I think that's just their, or is that the Nigerian girlies? One of those. You ever seen where they have the widow's peak? You definitely need a 13x6 in my opinion to go for that look that they give or whatever, because they take out a lot in this little corner. My hairline does dip right there, and even some people that do have widow's peak, I feel like their hairline doesn't dip that bad, but it looks good. It looks really good, really natural. I love it, but I just don't see myself plucking that much. But anywho, this is the HD lace. Let me see if I can. Yeah, so y'all see it. On the skin. Yeah. So I added combs on the inside for, it's slipping back. And with it being glueless, I'm not going to be wearing it for multiple days. I don't even wear my wigs when I go to sleep. So the combs are not going to be a big thing because clip-ins and any attachment to your hair can and possibly will cause breakage. Definitely the combs because it's clamped onto your hair. But these combs slide in. But still, having that in your hair, yeah. But I'm gonna put some makeup on the lace. It is HD lace, but still need just a tad bit of makeup, not that much. You don't want to put a lot, and then afterwards you're gonna want to blow dry it. The throwback always kills me. I did put it in the middle part. I don't know where the comb is that I brought in here, but so this is my straight hair from my collection. I still have my Black Friday sale going on. I think it's only 2 frontals that I will be allowing to be into the sale, but the rest are closures. So they look like it's pushing, but I got big ears, low key though. Okay. Time to cut some legs. I need to get my hot comb. When y'all buy y'all wigs, wig stylists style the wigs on mannequins. You're still going to need to mold it for your head, because sometimes the mannequin heads be a little bit fatter. Oh my goodness, I haven't had straight hair in so long. I'm looking at myself in the camera and it's like, ooh, let me focus. This eats. Okay, I did mess up. But players fuck up sometimes, so forgive me. But anywho, okay, I'm back, y'all. I ran out of storage space because I don't know why, honestly. But on the sides of my wig, like, see how I got the band going up in there? I think I need to take it off from right there and pull it back some. That's probably why. When I'm gonna fix that, I don't know. I'm not really too worried, I guess you could say. But I would like the actual flawless, cause it keeps kind of like pulling it back. But I would like the flawless glueless look, because from here to here, and I haven't made a glueless frontal wig in a long time. It is possible, it's very much possible. But during the process, I should have rewatched some of my videos since I haven't made it in a while, because it is a certain way that you are supposed to place the bands. So yeah, that was my mess up, honestly. But it was like that on both sides. But all that I'm gonna do, y'all, is just, cause like, see, all that I'm gonna do is just do it like that. And it's not even plucked. I haven't really like plucked it fully to my hairline or whatever. My hairline does come down pretty far, so, but I'm just gonna spritz it, not even gonna glue it. I really don't. The only time I ever glued, it was 2 times that I ever glued a wig on my head. I was testing out some Erica J glue on me and for my sister wedding. That was it. All the other times I ain't glue. I don't use glue. Okay, so I almost did leave it on for an hour. Yeah. Who's that girl? Na 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 na. Who's that girl? Oh sheesh, y'all. So I mean, it's really nothing with a straight wig. Anyways, I don't plan on framing my face because I just don't want that look. I don't see that look for me as of now. I may or may not do it in the future. I'm not gonna say never, because you know every time you say never, yeah. So I feel like another thing that made this go wrong was because I didn't evenly have the wig on my head. Like more of it, like I cut more off on one side than I did the other side, if that makes sense. So that most likely played a major part. That's all I got for y'all. And now I'm finna do my makeup. So I wasn't even recording. Luckily I didn't say anything or do anything yet. But now the wig is on, and what's crazy, I'm gonna have to take the wig off because I'm about to do some pictures. I really wanna advertise for Thanksgiving, but it's feeling like I'm just gonna dive right into Christmas. I might be able to do the commercial for Thanksgiving, then I might not. But and this is not a tutorial because I am not a makeup artist, but hopefully this can help y'all out there that are not makeup artists as well. And I already did my brows. I'm not putting no concealer up there. JJJ. So I literally just did my makeup in 5 minutes. I hope you're not able to tell that I did my makeup in 5 minutes, but I did. And I'm just gonna try to just do some pictures, some videos, something really quick, because I literally have a client coming in like 30 minutes.
Do you know you have 30 minutes?
Are you kidding me?
30, yes.
Wrapping up this video, I'm about to take this wig off. So I did change where the band was, and they made it, you know, even more perfect. It's laying flatter on this side, it's laying flatter on both sides. So yeah, but I highly suggest that, you know, y'all head over to the site. You can go to the page. It's like BYOW, build your own wig. So it's gonna have you fill out a form, what kind of wig you want, you know, all of the categories or whatever. It's gonna have the lengths, the lace, the texture, if you want color, and it's also a spot where you have to, well, you don't have to, but it is highly suggested that you submit an inspo picture, and then we could talk a little bit more. Also, you need to be able to tell me your measurements, because if you're only able to tell me like the basics, like, oh, well, I know the circumference of my head is 21, 22, I'm like, okay, but the wig will still fit, but glueless, okay, if you're getting a closure, cool, you could just tell the circumference of the head, that's fine. But if you're getting a frontal, all the measurements are needed around the head, then from the nape to the forehead, then across the apex, like all of those measurements are needed for a fully glueless custom frontal. And then I need a picture of your hairline, because even though I didn't wait till I put on the next one, and then you're gonna see like I cut way more into that one, but I feel like I wouldn't have had to if I would have made it myself. But anyways, my hairline does go a little bit further back right here. So if your hairline is almost weird like mine, like made like a boy, where my hairs point out here, they go back in, and then they come out a little bit more here, I would highly, and especially if you have a widow's peak, those type of hairlines, and if your widow's peak is not centered, if it's off center, I would highly suggest that. And definitely if you have a low hairline, because I know y'all are tired of wearing those frontal wigs where they just cut your hairline straight across. Stop it. We need to stop that, like for realsies, we need to stop that. But anyways, I'm about to get dressed. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna scope the scenery. Let me stop playing. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna be in my dress, gonna shoot like a little quick commercial, because yeah, I got 30 minutes. 30. But how y'all like my makeup? I'm ridiculous, ain't I? These are gonna be screenshots, by the way. Alright, let me get you. No, my face is right here. And it's still, I think because it's so far away. Okay, I think you got it. Okay, so this is the outfit, and so this is gonna be the scene. I think this is something easy for me to do, set up, do something. Probably gonna cross my legs. Y'all think I should cross my legs? Or I should just sit slanted? I won't know till I take my hair down. So I'm gonna get these pins up out of my head, and then we're gonna get started. I don't know what I'm gonna say exactly, but we're gonna figure it out. So it's rolling. Okay, shift this way, shift this way. Okay. Okay, and then I say this. Happy holidays from all of us at the Herd to all of you at home. This season we will be doing something different. So, let me get that right. Okay. Happy, oh no. Okay, the card say, no, that's not what I want to say. Inside the stockings will be, I don't know, what the fuck will it be? Will be these 3 stockings. Inside the, oh my goodness, inside, God, I can't get this right. Inside on the site, this giveaway will give each customer a fair chance on picking. God damn, I was on the road that time. Okay. Only at the Herd. So, happy holidays and happy booking.